around. So this is the park that that they have here in the town. Pick some you know, the pine cones. Summer or fall no, autumn season. That's the time that perfect to pick some pine cones kasi yun daw yung windy na season. So may mga ano ba, babagsak na mga pine cones. So perfect daw yun na season. Sa may masukal na area na yun. So ito yung, tapos ito yung church. Yan, malapit lang ito sa church. Same season din last year na first time namin pumunta dito sa park. Aww. This is the second time that Puts Jr. is here in the park. Tapos may water doon. We're bringing some snacks. Position na yung mga leaves, nagsibagsakan na yung mga leaves. Is the Christmas decoration like this. So ito yan siya, guys. This has different leaves, I think. So papasok tayo dito. Ayan, masukal siya, guys. See, nagbagsakan yung mga leaves, ganon. Ayan. See, look. Look at the trees, how's they're falling. It's so nice to capture the leaves, you know, that's falling like this.
You should stand under a big tree.
Yeah.
Under
This
a big tree. And then when the wind blows.
like that, another leaves falling. I don't know if you've seen it. And then here in this little bridge, you will see there's some locks. Oh, look. It's so cute. Look. Swans? I think that's a swan. Yan, may mga locks dito, guys. At tapos may mga name ng couple. Terry and Natsumi. Ooh, sounds Japanese. And then this is Kaylee and Lars. Oh, this face, look at this. Always so cranky. No patience at all. See, nagbagsakan yung mga leaves. Ayan, ang ganda, oh, ang ganda tingnan ng mga leaves. Look, so bright color.
Okay, I need your help.
Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan, dito yung masukal na part, guys. Ang ganda ng aking background. Right, let's find some pine cones. Hopefully we can find one. Ayan. So water doon. This is an old. What type of tree is this, Annie?
Bird? I don't know. Bird? If it is in English.
Pagpasok mo talaga dito, guys, sa masukal na bahagi ng park, mas lalo siyang lalamig ba? Mas malamig ka nga. Ayan. Diba ang ganda ng sounds ng birds? Chirpy chirpy chirp. Chirpy chirpy chirp. Chip chirpy chirpy chirp. Chip chirp. Yan, there's water over here. Very clear water naman siya. Yan, kita nyo. Dami nga lang mga dahon na nahuhulog. Is that part of park? Like there's a fence over there? Ayan. Naglalakihang mga puno. Water.
It looks like raspberry.
Raspberries? Is this edible?
Uh,
Huh?
yeah, but they look very overripe.
It's nice. Let's eat. Pine trees? No?
It's a different tree.
Ah, look, but it's the shape looks so perfect.
Yeah, but not the type. Oh, Emre.
See, have you seen it? It's cranky now. There's a little slide over there, like solo slide. Actually, it's not that big park, but already you will have fun. Look, look, honey, look.
Ah, yeah.
Ah,
That's a mushroom.
they look, it's so
Don't touch
nice.
it. Don't touch it. It's poison.
Ah, it's poison. Ah, they said it's poison. You can see a lot of big trees. I don't know how old these trees are. Lagay ko kayo dito tapos lakad ako. So far, I haven't seen pine cones yet. So, andito tayo, guys. Ayan, dito tayo sa park. Ayan, ang ganda ng puno. Yan, mas maginaw talaga dito. Ooh. See? It's so nice. It looks nice. Ang ganda ng park. It's very vibrant, you know. It used to be so green in this part when it's summer, and then now it's looking so vibrant, and then there's water over there. Yeah. Just walking here alone, it's like you know, you're having some kind of peace of mind, you know, just chill, relax your mind, something. Yeah, it's so nice over here, really. Nature is beautiful. Perfect, like me. Joke.
I agree.
It's so nice. Really, the trees, big trees all over. Just unfortunately, we haven't seen pine cones yet. Meanwhile, it's one of the reasons why we're here also. I don't know what this is. I think that's a maybe residential place. And there's another bridge over here. And yeah, this how this looks. They look like transitioning to yellow to brown until they fall off. That's why they call fall season, but here they call it autumn. Very, very beautiful color. This looks like candles, you know, like a chandelier candles. Wow, look at that. I want to take pictures on this one. Ayan, let's go! Ah! Wow, ang ganda naman. Oh, may nakita akong ano. Uy! Shit. Uy. Tapos, andito na kami sa ano sa malaking space na parte ng park. Tapos dito yung may playground. Ayan. Dito yung may playground. Ayan. Tapos si Empress andun, nagsiswing na siya. Very ano talaga, ano ba to? Child friendly yung mga parks nila dito. Tapos good thing is there's not much people today, so that we can enjoy a lot of, you know, equipments. We can enjoy the equipments more without other people, other kids. Because even me also, we're also enjoying swing. So may basketball court sila dito sa park. May maliit na basketball court. Ang ganda. Look. Look at the transition of the trees. Ang ganda, 'di ba? Ayan. Every park talaga dito, guys, is merong mga ganito, may mga swing, may mga slides, ganun. Tapos maganda din dito may bike, bicycle. Ayan. Ayan. Dito namin ilagay. Dala pala namin yung camera. Ayan. Itong camera na to dinala namin kasi wala na naman sa mood si Puts Jr. kasi inaantok na siguro siya. Right, let's go find some pine cones. So Puts Jr., I think he prefers to carry it like this. Very clingy baby. Baby loves mama. Aww. Okay, let's get inside. Camp space, camping space, like bench. It's very spiky. You can have your barkada here, sit around. This looks like Halloween decoration. Like this one, but looks very small. How about this one, honey? This is the pine trees. This is kind of very big tall tree. Then we'll look for this tree, and then we'll look for pine cones underneath. There's evidence.
Definitely a cave.
And Mama is talking. So nature. You always Look, his KO. I'm walking backwards.
Yeah, don't do that.
Just so that you can see my background.
Danger.
So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.